Hey guys, Chris from Monstrum, and today I have the all-new Challenger series of first focal plane rifle scopes. This one is featured in the 3 to 18 power with the CM4 reticle in an MOA configuration. Alright, this is our new flagship for the high power scopes. It'll be available in other configurations such as the 525, 624, the 8 to 32 later on. And it'll be available in both MOA and reticle configurations. And one of the best things about this scope is it's improved like a glass. This is fully multi-coated with ED glass and the light transmission is excellent. And I'll zoom in just a second to show you that. And some other notable features for this flagship is it has a much more robust zero stop, has a set screw, has a turret screw now, gives it much more adjustability range, and finally has parallax adjustment, and it looks really good. And I believe an all red illuminated reticle that is daylight bright on the max setting. All right, so let's zoom in on that target and play with the illumination and go from there, huh? As always, this distance is around 25 yards. We're starting at 3x. Let's go to 18, huh? Let's see, 10, 14, and 18. 1 second. All right, let me adjust the parallax real quick to 25 yards. And I think we're looking very sharp, very crispy. I'm looking at through the scope, through a tiny video feed, and I could see how sharp the details of that skull is. I could see the words on the left-hand side, the brand. Let's look around a couple other things. I think I have a scorekeeper card over there. And there it is. Let's look around. That's the marker for the palette. And let's go through the illumination, huh? All right. We have 1, and it's off in between. So off, 2, off, 3, oops, 4, 5, and finally we have 6. And that is extremely bright. By the way, this MOA reticle, the hash marks and holdover dots, I believe are 2 MOA spaced apart. Let's zoom out real quick. And when you're zoomed out at 3x, looks more like a red dot, huh? And let's take this guy outside because it's fully sunny outside right now. And it's around 1 or 2 p.m. All right, we're in California. Not a cloud in sight, 76 degrees for November. Quite warm. Let's try to look at that car over there. I'm gonna zoom in to 18x and get the parallax adjusted to that. I wanna say that truck is around 75 yards. Let's go zoom into that rim. Oop. Let's see, did I lose it? Nope, still there. And if you look across the street, that yellow wall is almost 200 yards. Let me see if I can adjust that to that range. See if it sharpens up. Oops, there you go. And that tree is around 150, I think, around there, give or take. And yeah, reticle outside, still plenty visible. And let's zoom out real quick. Yep, and I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to us, huh? As always, thanks for watching and have a good one.